Interesting facts about gorillas: an adult male can be up to 2 meters tall and a meter wide in the shoulders. An adult gorilla is stronger than any human on Earth. On average, a male is 6 to 8 times stronger than a trained male. When walking on their hands and feet, gorillas do not rely on their palms, but on their clenched fists. Of all the apes, only they and chimpanzees do this. Gorilla DNA is more than 95% similar to human DNA. Gorillas are second only to 2 of the chimpanzee species in the degree of kinship with us. All other apes are less related to humans. These animals are only found in the wild in Africa. Hunting them is prohibited everywhere. The brain volume of an adult gorilla reaches 600 cubic centimeters. Of all the monkeys, gorillas are the largest. Of all the species of gorillas in the world, the smallest remaining mountain gorillas a little over 600 individuals, and in captivity, they do not live at all, refusing to eat. Just like humans, they can walk upright, on 2 legs. The weight of an adult male gorilla can reach 200 kilograms, and its muscles are usually better developed than those of a professional athlete. The first 3 years of life of baby gorillas, they are completely defenseless and completely dependent on their mother to protect them. Pregnancy in gorillas lasts almost as long as in humans, about 8.5 months. These creatures usually live in groups of up to 30 individuals. At the head of the group is the strongest male, usually old and experienced. From time to time, young rivals dare to challenge him. Gorillas only acquire the ability to reproduce at the age of 11 to 13 years. Gorillas can live an average of 50 years. Even dangerous predators like leopards avoid encounters with male gorillas, because the outcome is very difficult to predict. When attacked by the enemy, the males defend themselves, while the females save themselves and their cubs. First, gorillas always try to intimidate the enemy by growling and hitting themselves in the chest. They also rush forward if the enemy runs away and bite him, which is why in some African tribes a gorilla bite is considered an embarrassing wound. The reason is simple: if a hunter is bitten by a gorilla, it means he was running away from it, and therefore, he chickened out. At night, gorillas are always asleep, but very alert, and it is almost impossible to get close to them unnoticed. Male gorillas fight only when challenging for the right of leadership, but females sometimes fight with each other. Gorillas do not like water, though they can swim. They even try to hide from the rain. About 30 to 35% of gorillas' waking hours are spent looking for food. These animals can make 22 different sounds that help them communicate with each other. In total, there are now only about 175,000 gorillas of all species left on Earth combined. These apes can learn the basics of sign language and communicate with humans using it. Coco, a gorilla that lived in an American zoo, knew and used about 1,000 gestures. An adult gorilla eats up to 30 kilograms of plant food per day. These animals get most of the moisture they need from succulent leaves, so they drink water rather rarely.